So I basically use iMovie or Videoleap to edit my YouTube and Instagram videos. And if you want to see how I do this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any fun content that I have. So basically I'll just go to Videoleap, and this is the video I was already working on, and you can see that I already arranged it in the order that I want it to come up. So an introduction first, and then me moving left, right, center, and then the tutorial itself. Of course, I normally add my intro in between my introduction and the video itself, and you see that later on in the video. So the intro just has, it's just a little introduction about what the tutorial is about and a call to action asking people to follow you and subscribe to your channel. And this is basically the arrangement, so you can just see. And next you have the tutorial. So the order that I like it to be, the order that I want my tutorials to be, I want to show them the product and then go ahead and show them how it's being used on my face. So again, you have your introduction where you talk about your channel and what the tutorial is about, and then you give a call to action asking people to subscribe, like your video, and share. Next you have your what is it called, your left, right, center. Of course, that can be before your introduction, however you want, and that also is always at the end as well. So this is it. I kept it there because I'm still going to work on it and then put it where I want it to be. And then this is the tutorial itself. So yeah, let's just go ahead and edit it. So I've already cut out the introduction is fine. Now I'll just show you the tutorial. So this is me just talking about the product and telling you what product that I'm using on my face. Next would be, of course, me using it. So this is just an unwanted clip, so this is it. Then I'll just swipe to where I start applying it on my eyes. Right there, I would then cut it. So I just swipe down, you see split, you select split, select delete, and then it goes off. So this is where I'm applying the concealer on my eyelid and I'm tapping. So I'll just stop right there and cut it there. Once I cut it, I'll then go to down below split, then select it, audio, mute it so that nothing is saying talking, because I'm going to increase the speed, and I like to increase my speed all the way to 250. That way it's moderate. But if I have a feeling that my video is going to be too long, I like to increase it all the way to 3.00, and then I'll do the same thing to when I was using a beauty blender to apply it. Select when I started using it. And so another tip I want to give you, so that your videos are not too long, always cut from the parts where you're working on your second eye. So because you don't want the reason is because you don't want to show them the first eye and second eye. So you can see that even with my foundation, I like to cut it from when I'm almost done with the foundation, so I don't spend so much time in the so it doesn't look too long and it doesn't make my video too long. So the same thing, I'm just going to cut that part, cut it out. Next, I'll cut from where I showed the product, so I'll just identify where that is and then put the timeline there, select split, and then cut it. Then delete the front, the clip that I'm not going to use, and just move it to where I stopped showing the product, which is about you see that's in a bit, sorry. So right there, I'm just talking about the beauty and the brush that I'm going to use, and boom, I think that's where I'm going to cut it. So I go to split, I split it, and that's good. Next, I'll be showing you when I'm applying it on my eyes. So I'll just swipe to where I started applying the pigment on my eyes. Okay, I don't know why this is too long. But okay, so right there, I guess, from where I lift, yeah, exactly right there, then I would push the timeline down and like that to where it ends. Boom, stop it there. Then select split and split it. Then I'll select the clip, go to audio, mute it, go to speed, increase the speed, just make it faster, of course 2.50. And that's basically, I do this all the way through till when I'm done with the video. So all this unwanted parts, of course I'm going to cut it out, show the product, cut out where the product where I stopped showing the product, delete, I'm going to delete the unwanted part, move it to where the product ended. So show the product. Oh, look at what I'm using Nolly from the iMagic Cosmetics. Boom, right there. Then I use the split to cut it, and that's fine. If I didn't say anything here like I did here, I'm just gonna go ahead and unmute to mute it so it doesn't, you don't hear the fan noise and all that stuff. Next, I'm going to show you how I applied the color. So from here, move it down, go to where I want to stop. That's of course just one eye, then cut it right there. Increase the speed, remove the audio, and we're good. So that's basically it. Because I feel that this video is going to be too long, I'll just go ahead and end it here, but I'm going to show you how I add text and music to my video. So yeah, this is basically the finished product. I think it's good enough. I went ahead to add my intro, and so what I like to do with my intro, like the slow motion, so I reduce it to 0.50 and put, that clip I just cut it into three, put two at the beginning and then two at the end. You can see. So I like to use swipe whenever I'm showing a new product, or I'm about to show a different clip. And for clips that are similar, use dissolve as a transition. That's what I'm talking about. So, and this is my angel. I recently designed this, like recently. So I don't know, just comment in the comment section if you like it, and I'll definitely do a tutorial on how I did it if you're interested. So yeah, that's basically it. So to add what is it called, to add oh yeah, so I was just going to show you guys. So if you're using slide or any of the transitions, when you take it down, it makes it very fast, and when you take it up, the transition becomes slower. So, and because I don't like slow transitions, I like it to be fast. I take it all the way down, especially with my slides. Whenever I'm going to another clip, I want it to be like really fast. So that's what exactly what I do. So if you want to add text, you just go down, tap text like I did here. Just so I like to put text when I'm starting the tutorial. I don't put it in my intro because it obstructs the whole pizzazz, going on. So I just put text. Type, I usually put my name, Marianne, and click the check sign. Once I do that, I go to font, and then you can increase it all the way to where you want it to stop. I go to fonts. I always use Open Sans because the Open Sans text font is really cute, and I can increase the spacing. So I just go to spacings. You see one for character and one for line, so I play with the ones for character, and you can see what it's doing. So I like it to be spaced out reasonably, and then I'm just going to go ahead and reduce it, and then move it to the bottom right corner of my screen, and boom, this is it. This is how it looks like, and you can just take it all the way down to wherever you want it to be, and you're good. So that's basically it with how I add text. To add audio, you just go to audio files. You see your documents. I like to use Alan Walker, and yeah. So yeah, I just put the Alan Walker song and then pull it all the way down. I like to put it in my intro, so I just go to, once I do that, I'll just cut it and then reduce it all the way through, so you can see that I've cut it already. So it should be loud at my intro, and when I'm talking I just put that part in mute, and when I start the tutorial now I then put it back in to increase the volume. So you can just play around with any of the tools there. There's glitch, there's effects, and once you click effects you see there are lenses, prism, like a bunch of stuff. So let's try out the lens. You can see how it looks like. It looks like a light just on top of me. I haven't used this in forever, so it's really nice. And that's basically it, and then you just click save. You can save to camera, and if I like to export in the highest possible quality, but because of my memory space and because it takes forever to export, I like to put on one 1080p at 60. So but right now my phone is showing me pro only, remove limit, so you have to pay for this app for you to do like more stuff on it. So what I do is I do like what I want to do anyways, and then click the box sign that shows it to you in landscape, and then I record my screen. And because my screen recording is at 1080p, my quality is still very good at that. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and let me know what apps do you use to edit your videos, what apps do you use to edit your pictures. Until my next video, I love you guys. Take care. Bye.